na yung vlog natin guys kasi nga naka 30 minutes na tayo kanina. So, kaya pinutol ko siya. Ito na, continuation na ito ng ating pag-vlog for today. So, yeah. So, what we're gonna do? So, what time is it? Nandito para tayo sa kusina guys. Kaya, huwag kayong magtaka kapag nandito tayo parati sa kusina. Pala ako, magluto ako ng hapunan. So, mag-roast tayo ng chicken. Bali, dito na siya i-roast sa plastic. Naka-plastic siya, guys. So, ilagay ko lang ito sa oven for 1 hour. Tapos, pag 15 minutes na siya, saka natin tanggalin sa plastic at ibalik na naman sa oven. So, yeah. So, ganito pala yung damit, guys. So, continuation na to ng vlog natin noong una kanina umaga. Kasi nga, mahaba na talaga. 30 minutes ata yun. 30 minutes or 31. Something like that. So, yun, nakanap na ako guys, which is good. So, isa lang ko ito. Tapos, may rice pa. May rice pa, pero magsasaing pa rin ako. Tapos, mag-start na tayo ng iron at saka mag-fold ng mga labahin doon sa taas. Kasi may mga labahin ako doon na dapat i-fold. So, mag-roast na tayo guys kasi gutom na yung mga natin. Ang ating panauya. Yan. So, nilagay ko na siya diretso dito sa oven. At saka, nag-iisip pala ako guys kasi meron marami kaming dito, saging. May mga saging dito na, yan yun. Okay, we're gonna make banana cake. Huh? Ano na talaga siya? Brown na brown. Would you like?
Yeah, banana cake, please.
Banana cake. You and mommy gonna make banana cake, yeah? You bake it and mommy. Pero problema, parang wala tayong vanilla. After the chicken, let me check kung may vanilla tayo. Wala tayong vanilla. Hindi ako nakabili ng vanilla. So, walang vanilla. Okay lang naman sa vanilla eh. Kahit walang vanilla. May flour naman dyan. Sayang kasi kapag hindi naluto ba, maano siya, masira. So, lulutuin na lang natin. So, habang nagsasalang ako dito guys, sumaya na kayo mag-banana cake ni Christian. Kasi nakasalang pa yung chicken kasi alas 6 na. So, ang aking gagawin ay magpo-fold ako. Ay, check ko muna yung uniform ni Daddy sa taas kung meron siyang uniform o wala for tomorrow. Kasi one day lang naman siya tomorrow. I'm going to Daddy upstairs. Are you coming with me? Are you coming to Daddy's room? Let's go. Why? You want to watch the egg? Okay, so let me check guys sa taas. Kung may uniform siya. Kasi kung meron siyang isang uniform, hindi na ako mag-iron. Tapos bukas na ako mag-iron pag Ito rin yung mga labahan ko. Ito kahapon to. Basa kasi ito kahapon. So dito ko sinampayan. Nakatupiin ko yun guys. Oh. Daming damit. So, let's check kung meron. Si Daddy uniform sa taas. Para bukas.
What is this referring?
You got uniform? What wish? Guys, so masura tayo dito, maraming tinatapon. Nagano si si Vanna Earths sort siya ng wardrobe niya kasi marami daw siyang malalaking pantalon, hindi nakasya sa kanya. So, pamigay natin to guys sa mga gusto. Kasi bago pa to mga pantalon niya. Tingnan niyo, mga bago pa to. Mga magaganda pa. Next. Ouch! What is this? Oh, this is expensive. Are you mad?
But it's XL.
But this is... I wear this. I'm gonna wear this. This is very expensive, guys. Walang bad words. Mahal ito. Itatapon na yan. No. This is mine. And then, this is mine. Kasi malaki pa naman tiyan ko. So, hindi ko tatapon yan. Ay, may siya magtapon-tapon, guys. Tapos bili na bili. Ito bago pa, oh. Kasi nag-ano na siya, naging 34 na siya, hindi na siya 38. 38, 40. So, tapon na siya lahat guys. So, nasayang ako kasi tatapon nung niya. Kaya sabi ko, bigay na lang doon sa kilala ko. Ang kaibigan ko. Sa ano niya, partner niya. Mag-ano tayo guys, mamasura tayo dito guys. O, tinan nyo. Ito bago to. Oh, you never used this. This is what I gave to you last year. Hindi ko na yung nagamit. Tinan nyo. Sayang. Yung papa ko kasi guys, hindi siya malaki, hindi siya. Dito kasi sa mga tatay sa papa ko kasi maliit yung tatay ko. Sexy yung tatay ko guys. Oh, 2XL. Oh my God, this is so big. 2XL pala siya dati guys. Kala ko XL lang. What is this? Ganun din? So Lord. I got lots of dresses. Ito maganda. Oh, tatapon lang niya. Tatapon niya. Large. Oh, this is large. You don't like it?
Okay, good.
Try daw. Large.
No, I'm not going to try it. Just
This is large.
are they?
But you had enough with this?
Yeah, but enough.
Okay.
But then sometimes when work says bring something red.
I know.
Yes, it's just. Yeah.
Just keep it. Oh my God. You can't keep buying. This is rubbish. You gotta throw this away. I don't want that. I don't want to give that. So ito. Ito mga Pierre Cardin, oh. XL. Ganda pa ito ba? Namigay natin to sa mga sa may gusto. Kasi sayang siya, guys. Itatapon lang sa skip. Tapos ibibenta ulit ito ng mga charity. Ito din, oh, XL, oh. Oh. If this is going to Giselle's husband, wow, he got a polo shirt and a formal one.
If he wants it. Not
You
wants
just
it.
choose. This is 3XL? What the heck? You're 3XL. Here, I know. Yeah. This is 3XL. This one. This is good for This to choose the shorts for summer. Yeah, it's summer now, so baka magustuhan niya ito ba. Yan. Lagay na lang dyan. Yan, ito tapon na ito. Ayoko nito. Yan na siya. So, tingnan nyo guys, mga natapon niya. Marami pa doon isang bag doon sa labas. Hindi ko na Ito, tapon niya ito. Mahal nito, oh. Valerie Milano. We'll keep that. Ako na magsuot niyan guys. Oh, itatapon niya lang, sayang. Lagay natin dito sa mga natin, mga naipon ko guys. Tingnan niyo mga naipon ko dito. Ito yung mga naipon ko na itatapon namin. Oh. Ayan. So, dito ko lang ilagay. Ayan. Para pilian na lang yan. Pilian na lang yan yung pagdating niya. This one is just throw. Meron siyang uniform, guys. Hindi na ako mag-iron ng uniform niya. Kay King na lang na na uniform ang aking gagawin. Pero ngayon, mag-ano muna tayo dito, Oh, you here? Oh, you're late na. I got lots of ayuda upstairs, but you're not there. Oh, go to daddy upstairs. Dad is busy.
Oh,
Yeah, he's busy.
oh,
Yeah, so...
Daddy.
Huh?
Daddy.
What?
Sorry? Daddy.
Daddy upstairs.
Yeah, and go down.
You want to go down?
Yeah.
I'm gonna iron your uniforms. Are you hungry? So, I'm not going down because I'm gonna iron your clothes. Would you like to eat now instead?
Hey, Mommy! Hey,
Huh?
Mommy! Hey, Mommy!
Where's
My
your mommy?
daddy, the good!
Huh?
The good idea, Mommy.
Say it again.
The good idea.
Sorry, say it again.
The good idea.
Yeah. Mag-film tayo, King, para meron tayong pera. Para may kapirahan tayo ba? Mag-dry na siya, guys. Masarap pala talaga pag sarap talaga pag araw yung mag-dry ng natin. Ng ating mga damit ba? Kasi mabango. No, King, no? No, stop touching, King. Guys, oh. Pinipindot kayo na Christian, guys. Ayun ka na, see, guys. Okay, I'm gonna bring it down a bit. There you go. It's your turn.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, say hi, guys.
What's the phone?
Huh?
What's the phone?
Microphone? No, I didn't use microphone.
No?
Yeah, because I think it's low, but I need to charge.
I'm watching now.
It's charging.
Okay, ready.
So speak to guys or dance for guys. Come on. So guys, give me money. Come on, quick. So guys can share our video. Come on, dance. Ding, 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 ding.
That picture.
Ding, ding, ding,
That
ding.
chicken now.
What?
That thing.
Okay, you sing then. Beat it.
No.
What?
That picture.
What do you want to sing? Guys can see my
And the
legs.
sunshine.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Then you, yabag man si Mama Christian. You know, hindi talaga ako marunong kumanta, guys. Diba? May kiss pa siya. Hindi talaga ako marunong kumanta, guys. Kaya, pasensyahan niyo ng boses kasi hindi ako singer. Ayan. Daming labahin. Meron pa doon. Hindi ko pa natanggal doon sa sa baba. Kasi medyo basa-basa pa yung isa. Sorry, Kim.
Hey, guys. Oh.
Be careful. This is King uniform. Put that in your wardrobe. Oo, pinatarahan pa lang ng kapitbahay. Ang gate nila maganda na nag-gray. Naging gray na yung nila. Yun. I think I'm going upstairs to put that upstairs. Diba? This is mommy. May give it to mommy. Diyos ko, guys, na yun. Paano makatapos-tapos ito eh? Ito yun. Can I borrow this?
What a cookie.
Where are you gonna put that? Be careful, you cannot see the steps. You're gonna fail, Christian. It's dangerous. Maybe ako na, babe. Ako na. Oh. Show to guys that you're helping to mommy. Ha? Kati na ano ko yun. Right. Oh, this is mommy clothes, babe. That's it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, what is this for? Cookie.
Will give it to me. Ay, naku, it's gonna be dirty again in the floor. Hindi pa naman ako nag-vacuum dyan. Mag 1 month na.
What am I?
Yan yung guys, ang gulo ha. Ang gulo-gulo talaga ni Christian. Oh, be careful guys, they're at the back.
Okay.
Wait, no, don't bring it down. Because there are lots of flies out there.
Okay.
Yeah, downstairs.
Okay.
Yeah, give it to me.
Oh,
The flies ba? Dangerous. Takot kasi yan sa ano. Takot siya sa langaw. Kaya sabi ko, huwag ko bibitin sa box
I
yung mga
can't
langaw.
find. Okay.
Yeah, there's a flies. Told you. Yeah, there's a one there. Summer kasi guys, may mga pumapasok lalo na pag-open yung bahay. Pumapasok sila.
Let me find.
Ako nahulog ka, Ping. Let's go upstairs na. I'm gonna throw this. I put this upstairs. Daddy's room. Come on. Daddy's room. Come on. Let's go. Okay tayo guys sa taas. Gulo-gulo mo, Ping. Gulo ni Christian, guys. Christian, can you clean this? Your bedroom was mess, oh. You got lots of toys in the floor, mate.
Oh, again. No. You. Papa. You die.
Look at your toys in the floor. Mess. Down. Okay, let's go down now. Let's check our chicken head. I forgot this. This is going to the... May isa pa pala. How do you do it? This one, you have to press.
Again.
Wow, kasya ba itong rice? I think kasya ba itong rice? Chicken and rice. You have to eat now. Yeah, after we eat, we're gonna cook some cake. What? How can I cook? There's a chicken inside. We're gonna cook. Sabi niya, mag-bake daw kami ng cake. Sabi ko, may chicken pa sa loob ng oven. So, hindi pa pwede na not allowed yet. Because the cake gonna be smelly of chicken. So, you have to wait and then eat first. You want to eat now or you have to wait for chicken? Now. You want to wait for the chicken? Oh, so careful because this is dry na. Yung namin guys, yung flour, dry na talaga. Wala kami. Hindi ako nakabili today. Kasi walang maganda doon. Oh, dry. Don't touch. This is gonna go dry. Yeah, it's dry. It's old. Patapon ko na yan. Mataktakan niya. Magtaktakan niya yung lakot niya. Don't touch it. It's gonna be everywhere. There's a pollen grain. This is what the bees want to eat. Yeah. They're eating this sweet thing. It's called pollen. Pollen ba? Sweet.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay, go down na.